Welcome back to MLT World. Today friend, in this video I will discuss you one of the most important topic of biochemistry subject, that is endocrine system and hormones. So in this video our topic is endocrine system, what is endocrine system and what are the hormones released by endocrine glands. So now we will start. First of all, endocrine system that allows different part of body to communicate with each other. Endocrine system and nervous system, we can say that they are functioning, they are most of the functions same, but there are a lot of differences also. But in this video we will discuss about endocrine system. First of all, what is endocrine system? Endocrine system consists of series of glands that are found throughout the body, but one thing is common, that they all secrete hormones. Means hormones is released by all glands. So what are the glands? But before that we have to understand that what is the hormones. First of all, you note down this definition. Okay, hormones are the small chemical molecules, as they are made up of amino acid, lipids that are passed into the blood, and then they are spread into the throughout the body and into the bloodstream. Hormone molecule can act as a signal to trigger certain changes inside the cells. So this is the definition of hormones. Now one by one we will see the glands. What are the important glands? In this video we will focus on important glands. First of all is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also called as master gland because most of the hormones are produced by the pituitary gland, and the hormones produced by pituitary gland, some of them directly tells the body what to do, but some of them tell other glands that which hormone have to release. So these all things are done by pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, the important hormones produced by pituitary gland is TSH, LH, FSH, as you can see in the diagram also, oxytocin, growth hormone. So these all hormones are produced by the pituitary gland. That's why we will call pituitary gland as a master gland. It is located in the brain, but it is not the part of brain. Thyroid gland, that is located in the neck and produces the hormone thyroxine. This relates to the rate of our metabolism and also play an important role in the growth and development of the body. This is the thyroid gland that we told, it's located into the neck. So this you can see the front and back view. And as I told, thyroid gland is also one of the important gland of endocrine system, as it involves in the metabolism and growth and development. As you know before, as I told before, that pituitary gland influence other gland. The one of the example is thyroid gland. If pituitary gland detects the low level of thyroxine that is produced by thyroid gland, then it will release a TSH that stimulate the thyroid gland to produce more thyroxine, which will bring the level of thyroxine back up to the normal. And this process is we will called as negative feedback, because if thyroxine levels are too low, they are stimulated to rise again, and if they went too high, it will brought back to normal level. Next important gland is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is located on the top of each kidney, as you can see in the diagram, and that produces the hormone adrenaline. This is normally released during the fight or flight response, or when we will scared. It's basically get his ways like fight, all done by doing things like increasing our heart rate, generally getting our blood pumping faster. In these all conditions, adrenaline hormone is released by the adrenal gland, and adrenal gland is located on the top of each kidney. Next is the one of the most important gland, that is pancreas gland. Pancreas produce hormone that is insulin. As we all know about like diabetes mellitus. The main cause is if insulin is not produced properly, or if there is a defect in the pancreas. If so, pancreas gland produce hormone insulin. This help us to regulate our blood glucose concentration, which means the amount of blood sugar in our body. Next is testis gland. Testis gland is found only in males and have two main jobs: producing the hormone testosterone, which controls the puberty, and producing the male gamete sperms for the reproduction. So this also differentiate the this gland will differentiate between male and females. Females have no testis gland and males have testis gland. Next one and the last one gland is the ovarian gland or ovaries gland or ovary gland, that is found only in females, and the main role is to produce estrogen, which influence puberty and menstrual cycle, and they also hold female gamete egg cells for reproduction. As you can see in diagram, ovaries are small oval shaped glands and located on each side of the uterus. So this video is completed here. I hope that you understand the concept of endocrine system and hormones and what are the important glands in our body. If there is any question related to this video, please write in comments. Thank you so much.